Hey guys, it is Margaret, Texas Gal Treasures, and today I thought I would come live and create a shirt. And yeah, I don't have any idea of what we're gonna do today, but that's kind of fun, the fun part of it, because it's like I say, it's like making sausage. The back end is really messy, but then in the end you get a nice, well, piece of sausage or a shirt design to put up. So I'm gonna start from the beginning, from let's look for some ideas all the way to, hopefully if we have time, get this shirt up and listed on Merch by Amazon so you can see my whole process. If you are interested in just like little bits of this, like I just need to know about looking for keywords, I have a video series that I created. It's in my playlists under Merch by Amazon tutorials. I've got two playlists in there. One's Merch by Amazon, one's Merch by Amazon tutorials. The tutorial one has just the little snippet, you know, where it's like 5-10 minutes of how to do certain aspects of it. So it's not just the whole big shebang. Okay, so let's jump in. I'm going to screen share what all I have open, and then we'll just start looking. Because like I say, I have nothing. But that's what I do sometimes. Now I do have a file that I keep where I'm like looking for, you know, where I have design ideas. So, but today I thought I would just jump on and roll with it. Okay, so I have my PicMonkey open. I've got my Graphic Stock open. Graphic Stock is a paid site, but if you look down below, there is a coupon code where you can get 7-day free trial. So there's that. I also use Pixabay. I use Open Clip Art, Make Merch, which is also a paid site that I use, and then I have Trademarkia and USPTO open. Those are my go-to. I get all those open and then run with it. But I have some friends in the chat. Hey, Kathleen in Nevada, and hey, Michael. The Only Way is Thrifting. How are you? Okay, so, oopsies, I pulled that off. So, yeah, let's just go see what we got. So sometimes I'll start on Twitter, and I'll just see kind of what's trending. If I want to try to grab a trending, look, somebody's got, oh, look, Pudgy Picker sees deer. Okay, World Chocolate Day. That's something. Bad song sequels. So I start looking over here at the trending stuff. And then other times I'll look at moments. Am I screen sharing? Are you guys still seeing me? Okay. Okay, Podesta, sorry, you're not going to be on one of my shirts. I don't know. Blue Ivy, wrapping. Yeah. So nothing major fun that I'm seeing. Attempted beer troll. Okay, that might be fun. So yeah, some of these. Oh, there's Stan Lee. What's he doing? Okay. So yeah, I'm not getting a ton there. So let me go over and look on Pinterest. And when I pull up Pinterest, I will just search. Let's click on regular Pinterest and see what I see. This is just my stuff. I want to see kind of what's trending. Is that what this one does? Explore. Let's explore. How about tech? Oh, you know what? I was just talking to Joe and Jeff and Chris yesterday. And we were talking about shirts for like computer geeks, computer geeky shirts. And I made the joke because my husband does programming and stuff like that, and whenever he starts talking about programming for the front end or programming for the back end, it always makes me laugh. So let's go look on Merch and see if there's anything up there about back end programming, because maybe we can go with that. That might be funny. Hey Tracy, HP Picker. Hey Caroline, how's it going? Okay, what was I just doing? Merch. Okay, so I'm going to Merch Research right now because that will pull up some, you know, it'll pull up merch shirts. So I am typing in back end programming. Because I'm thinking, oh, say here's full stack developer. That's like my husband. That's what he does. He's a full stack developer. 3 results. Oh, dude. Okay, unless back end is like Yo hablo Python. Okay, see, my husband does Python too. Look, there's 3 shirts. Okay, so maybe let's just do back end. So back to school. Look, 475. We may be doing just a simple text-based shirt. There's a full stack developer. Look, it doesn't have any rank though. 0. Nothing selling there. So no rank found. These are all teaching shirts. I'm wondering why it's like back to the grind. Okay, so let's see. And this is where I would end up. Is back end one word or is it 2 words? Richard's saying back end, 1 word. Let me look it up. I'll try back end one word. Boom, boom, like that. Let's see, men's back. Okay, developer T. There we go. There we go. Baby got back end. Oh, okay. Is it one word? Okay. Semicolon. Look, this is the thing. Like, this is a shirt but you can't read what it says on there. This is what I see. Like, I don't know who this is, so sorry if it's your shirt. But yeah, if I'm looking at shirts, I'm scrolling and I'm like, that might be a really cool shirt and might have a cute saying on it, but I cannot read it. What does it even say? I test my code only in production. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Randy gets upset about that. Okay, I'm looking in the chat to see what everyone's saying. Hello, Cheryl. Richard, okay, rank list, yeah. Merch Informer just published a good post about Reddit and merch. We'll send you a link. Thank you, Michael. Yes, Jeff, back in. So one word, okay. I didn't know that. So some of these may be like really good ideas, but you cannot even read what it says. It's so tiny, you know? And nobody likes a tiny back end. No, I'm joking. Okay, so, okay, Yo hablo Ruby on Rails. But again, I'm not seeing, let me click over here on Unicorn Smasher and see if we see any, that is not stealing your idea, Joe. I gave you that idea yesterday. He's like, thanks for stealing my idea. Whatever. We were talking about it yesterday. Okay, so I'm looking to see if any of them even have a rank. So it may be something that's a dud to start with, but hey, right? Which is like, I just like saying back end. Yeah, exactly. It makes me laugh every time. So that's why I thought, okay, what did I do? What have I done? Oh, I'm trying to pin this. No, I'm not. Okay, so let's click by rank and see if we've got any. So bugs, funny programmer shirt. That's got a pretty good rank, you know. Full stack developer. That's a Ruby language programmer, blah, blah, blah. Yo habla Ruby. Yeah, SQL, Python. My husband does that stuff. Okay. No. But look how teeny it is. Like it's just like, meh, it's too small. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. Let's just go over here. Ideas cannot be copyrighted. Okay, let's also go just before, because you know, I've done this so many times where I've started creating the shirt and then I'll go check the trademark and it's trademarked. And I've already wasted all the time looking, you know, like creating it, right? Hey, Lori, how's it going? Oh, hey, Carol's Gift Shop. Let me see some more friends in the chat. Caroline says, I spent my whole life wishing my back end was tiny. Yeah. But nowadays, that's a good, you know, like now it's like, yay, booties are in vogue, right? Ideas can't be cut, but I'm not laughing. Okay, Unicorn Smasher is a plugin where you can check ranks and things like that. So it's a Chrome plugin. I don't know if it's on other ones as well. So, okay, let me go back to USPTO. Let's type in back end. Okay, back end. Okay, there we go. And oh, I forgot, I clicked the wrong thing. I always get mixed up on USPTO. You got to dig around to find the and I'm going to click over here. Basic word search live back. Hang on. Back end. There we go. So nope, we're all good. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. I'm on PicMonkey because that's generally what I design on. What I'm going to find is a really good big font, boxy, blocky, you know, masculine. I don't want to, like this font, I use Quicksand a lot, but that's for my stuff. Like it's real curvy, but it's almost got like a feminine look to it. So I wouldn't use back end I wouldn't use that font, you know what I mean? So I'm going to choose a more, you know, no, I want like a really boxy one. And I'm not versed in all here, let's do all caps and see how it looks. And if you have, you know, if you're in the chat, just throw out some ideas if you're like, look, it looks better like that, you know. I don't think I like it all cap. Let me try it the other way. No, all caps. And back in Unicorn Smasher. Boxy's not for good. Okay, here we go. I'm going on. boxy, da da da. I'm not even gonna go there. I need to, so I can change. That's, no, but I want it, you know what I mean? So this is what I do. I'll go through, this is too, that one looks too curvy already. Poppins. That's not too curvy. It's pretty, that one might be okay. Let's bold it. Maybe, that's a maybe, but it's not quite what I'm thinking. Back end, that's a maybe. So bitter might be a good one. How about chunk 5? Chunk 5, that's a maybe. I'm looking for one that's just like in your face, boxy. Capitalize the E, you think? I don't know. Is it, I mean, that's the thing. Like if it's one word, let's Google it. Back end developer. Back end versus front end. every time. See, they don't, they have it lowercase. So I want to make sure that it's what would be correct, right? Back end. Chunk 5 for the back end. You like the chunk 5? Okay. Let's see. Nope, I don't like that one. Okay, now we're getting into like the curly cues and the, okay, let's go back to, no, I don't like that one either. Nope, 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 nope. Maybe. What do we think? Bold that one, let's see. Code it up, okay. I like that. Oh, that's a really good one, Mitch. If you're not going to use that, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna copy that right now. Tell me if you're going to use it. I'm gonna leave it over there. Okay. So yeah, this is what I do. I'll just go through and click on the different fonts until I see one that feels right. And I can't explain why I think it feels right. It just does, right? Boom, boom. Nope. Okay, so now we're getting into more, you know, decorative type fonts. Where did they go? Okay, I'm going back up. So it was one of these up here that we liked. No. Forum? Chunk 5? I don't know. It still seems kind of curvy and cute. Maybe not. Bitter? What do we think? Did you like bitter better? Say that. No, I don't think I like that either. Oh my gosh, I'm being too picky. Okay, in the chat, what do y'all think? Chunk 5? Maybe? It's not exactly what I'm looking for. Tahoma? What's that one look like? Back end. Roboto? Oh my gosh, I'm so picky. Of course, it probably is not going to matter that much. Is that bold already? Let's see. Back end. Maybe we'll go with that one. That one looks okay. So back end. And then you like the Roboto? You like that one? Oh my gosh, whatever, Mike. Wing ding. Okay, we got Roboto. Let's do this. A or B? We'll go back. Roboto. Back end. Oh, Roboto. Palanquin. Or chunk 5. We got these 3 going. 1, Roboto. Chunk 5 or Palanquin. You like the Roboto best? Okay, do we need to bold it? Bold it. Okay, back end. And then I'm going to slide this down here and I'm going to put Guy. Back end Guy. Right? Should I make Guy bigger? That's too big. Look, now, no, that's still too big. Or should I make it the same size? Back end Guy. Like so. What do we think? Just simple? Simple like that? Okay, I'm going to save it. So I'm making it transparent. I'm exporting it. Apply canvas color, yes. And I'm going to call it BE Guy Black. Export to computer. Oh, I should have cleaned up my desktop. And then I'll go through and I'm going to make it a white one. white, because then I can have it for a light on a dark. I'm going to do a girl one. Same size. Should I change the guy, make it a little smaller? PE guy white. Yay, I had it to change. Woohoo! Okay, so I made a white one. Let's see, what size do I have this one? 564. I'm going to copy it. Boy, this was an easy one, right? Let me come over here and make it the same size. 564. What do you think? Or go back. Hang on, let me get back up here. What do we think? I don't know. Back end guy. Okay. Back end girl. We gotta have a girl one too. And there. Nope, I didn't do it. Oh, darn it. What did I do? Go back. Undo. 564 is what I want. Oh my gosh. I like the guy bigger. Okay. Let's do back to girl. Back end girl, because girls can be developers too. We have to be an equal opportunity. BE girl, white. And hello in the chat. Okay, let me make this one black. And we'll go make something else too. Or should I go ahead and create the whole listing and do the whole thing? Export that. I can, yeah. You think I should change it to gal? Okay. Back end girl. Yeah, I can do that. This is the thing, because I'm able to upload 40 a day. So this is kind of what I do. I'll make a bunch of different versions, and then yeah, and see what sells, right? You like gal too, Tracy? Okay, cool. See what it looks like, all capitalized, Joe says. Okay, I'll try that. Here we go. Let me save this one out first too. Export. EE gal white. Okay, save. Let's make the canvas black so we can see it better. There, guy. Okay, so I need to make this smaller because it's too big now. Back end guy. Do you like it all caps? Maybe I do. I don't know. What do you think? Okay. Oh, did I miss some people coming in? I missed some people. Hi in the chat. Sorry if I missed you. Let's see. I think Hassan came in and the crazy card. Hello. Let's see. Back end boy. Oh my gosh. It's a computer geek thing. I guess you're right. You like all caps? Okay, let's save that too. BE guy caps. Hey, large flippin' family. Hello. Hello, hello. That's Holly, right? Now let's change this to black. All black. I know. You like all caps too? Okay. Back in. BE guy black. Save that one. Okay. That one. Okay, let's change this to gal. Oops. Let's see. Let me make gal a teensy bit smaller. Export. BE gal. Oh, yes, yes. Good. Cancel. I don't want to replace. Back end too. Y'all are giving okay, I'm taking some of these ideas. I'm sticking them over to the side so I don't forget. Hang on, over here. Tab. Stay over there. Because the chat will jump and then I won't see it again. Am I marketing for Pride Day? Isn't Pride Day already passed? Or Prime Day? Let's see. Okay, so one of the things that, okay, it all happens in the back end. We want it all caps. All happens. I don't know if I can do this one. Oh gosh. Ah, how about it's all about the back end? Stop, my thing won't let me drop that. Okay. Okay, delete. Get out of there. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna do it just to see. Why not? All happens. Why not, right? You never know. It could be a smash hit. You guys that are giving me ideas in the chat, you might want to save some for yourself. I'll use them. BE. I don't even know what I'm typing anymore. It's not R-rated. It's computer related. Get your mind out of the gutter. What was the other one that Mitch said? Okay, back end, making the front end good looks since 2000. Is it 2001? Is that what it said? Let's see. How do we know when that all started? Where's my husband when I need him? I don't know. Tab. When did start? I'm looking for that. I don't know. Okay, let's look on front end Wikipedia. It's just a thing, right? I guess I could put any date. What do you think? I don't know. Well, I don't want to put a date unless I know that the date is correct, because some computer guy will know. 2001 sounded computerish, 1923. That's true. Okay. Okay, let's do all caps again. Back end. I have to make that a bit smaller if I'm going to get the hyphen in there. I don't think I like that. Making, let's spell correctly. The front end. I'll play with this text because it's ginormous right now. Let me make it smaller. I don't know if I like this. I'll have to play with it. Since 1999, 2001. No, Siri, I'm not talking to you. No. Hey, Randy, when did front end and back end stuff start? When did front end and back end, when did that whole thing, being a front end guy or a back end guy, or computer term, right? Computer terms, yeah. Because somebody suggested making a shirt that says back end, making the front end look good since, and then
90s.
Since 1999.
Yeah, earlier than that.
Since 1990.
Since the 90s.
Since the 90s. That doesn't have as good of a flow to it, though. Okay, all right. Back end, making the front end look good since, he says since the 90s. But we need a number, right? 1843. Since 1843. 1923, 2001. How about 19? Why don't we do 1991? I don't know. I feel weird putting a date on there that's not accurate, but okay. So here we go. Back end. The spacing looks funky to me, so I'm gonna put a space there. I'm gonna make it smaller-ish, making the front end look good since 1991, like so. But I don't know, it all kind of runs together for me. What do you think? Maybe I need to make back ends bigger. Let me make that bigger up here. Oh, that's too big. It's a bit bigger. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, I know, right? Since the beginning of programming. When is the beginning of programming? When did program? I was in junior high. We were taking computer programming. That was in the 80s. Or be vague, since ever. What do you think? Since ever. No. Since 1843. Okay, when was the first computer program? Here we go. Let's look at that. Is that when it was? I can't be right. Computer pro the start of time. 1842. How about that? Mid 18. So you said 1840. Okay, let's do it. 1842. Right? Because that's the first computer program, right? Maybe they'll know. Maybe they won't. Computer programming Wikipedia. Okay, let's do it. Transparent. Apply. Export. Backend. Save. And then make a black one, like so. Backend 2. Since Ada Lawrence. Let's see. Yes, I got the Saved by the Bell reference. Yes, yes. Let's see. Since the start of time. We can try that one too. How about that? How about the dawn of time? Since the dawn of time. There. Okay. That's really big, but that's okay. Since W-O, is it W-O-P-R or W-O-P-E-R? I had to find out if that would be trademarked, right? It might be. Backend 3. Save it all. And then figure out if we can use it. And then make it white, because that's what we do both ways. BE, nope, that's not what I want to do. Let's see, BE, white, on there. Save. Okay, I'm going to look at, where's my trademark? Yeah. Where'd you go? Front end. Here. Aha. Okay, let's go back. Since before Gates. There we go. Hi, Turtle Trader. We are talking about backends. All right, so let's type in W-O-P-R. Cloud computing. Is this one live? I think it is. Where does it say? Yeah, this one's live. Okay, so I can't use that. It's out. All right, that's fine. Okay, so I think we've got enough to work with. We've got quite a few. Let me pull up what I'm, okay, hang on. I'm going to have to sort because my desktop is a hot mess of stuff right now. So let me grab all the ones we created and change the size. Hello. All right, so I'm not being, once I figure out the OBS system, I'll be able to show you my whole screen as I do this, but I'm resizing right now. I'm doing this on my Mac, so I can do it in preview, but if I didn't have a Mac, I would have to do this. I would use, what's it called, Resize Image or something like that. There's a program online that you can do it in. Okay, so now, so my average, I have a lot of shirts. Okay, everybody has a different strategy as far as merch goes. Like Young, who does Merch Minds, he's got about 400 something shirts up. And his take home is, this last month was like 4,500, which is awesome. So he goes about it a different way than I do. I have about 1,500 shirts up. I'm on the 2,000 tier. And this last month, it looks like I'm be real close to the 2,000 mark, or right below, I think, depending. So $2,000. So that's, I mean, I just kind of like this. I made a whole bunch, you know, and then I just kind of go whoosh and see what people like. Like the flamingo one we did in one of the previous videos, I put up all the ones we created because we created them. Why not, right? So I put them all up, and the one that we thought was like the best one, right, wasn't the one that started selling. Two of the other ones that people in the chat were like, oh, I don't like that pink font, that started selling, and then one of the other ones started selling. So I'm like, hey, who am I to say, right? So I just stick them up there and see what sells. So I have a lot of shirts that sell one or two or, you know, maybe 12 of one. So yeah. Oh, hey, look, Dumpster Marcus is there. Hey, Marcus, how's it going? Let's see. Cher's asking, am I just on merch or other platforms? I have some shirts up on Teespring and Redbubble. I quit posting them. Actually, I just looked on Monday, and on Teespring, I think I sold 3 shirts last month. So I just don't, I focus more on merch because the money is there. So yeah. Do I just wait for merch to pull them when they're dead? Yeah, I do, because I have so many spots. If I was on a smaller tier, I wouldn't attack it the same way. Joe says he just gave me a thumbs down. That's okay. Don't be sad. It's all right. Everybody else, go get him. No. Yeah, I do. But I do also sell on Etsy and eBay and things like that. So I can put them up on the other sites. It's just time. You know, I don't have a whole lot of time. That's the thing. Okay, so I just did that. Let me go over here and pull up, you know, let me pull up merch first so you guys don't see all of my, you know, login and all that good stuff. So I'm closing out of stuff. Oh, do I not even have it open? Okay. Talk amongst yourselves for just a minute while I get, oh no, I didn't want to close that. Darn it. Okay, that's fine. Because what I'll do, I'm going to show you how I do my keywords and stuff. But right now, I am closing out of tabs. Front end and back end. Watch them deny them because it just sounds naughty. But it's computery, right? Nope, that's right. I'm not a one-trick pony. Okay, so now I'm opening up my merch. I'm going to sign in and get to the upload page so we can bypass all of my shirts that are live. I've only sold 1 shirt today, darn it. But I didn't upload yesterday. It's been really busy for me around the old casa, you know what I mean? Okay, so here's what I do. Let me go back to screen share now so you can see. So what I'll do is I open up oh darn, okay, I'm gonna have to hang on, let me stop screen sharing 1 second. So I'll open up a bunch of different tabs, because that way I can upload all at one time and it saves me time. So let me open a bunch, and close that now. Okay, now go back to screen share. Application window, here it comes. Make sure you have computer or developer in your brand name. Yes, thank you, Nevada. Okay, so first things first, let's upload. Yeah, I want to try to get as many words in there that are developer related, computer related, programmer, back-end guy. Let's just stick with those to start with. How about that? So I did that one, that one, that one. Okay, let's start with those. Let's keep it simple for now. Let me close out of these ones. I'll get a whole bunch going and I'll just attack them all at one time. So here we go. So we get this going, back-end guy, save this, back-end gal. See, tried to send the image to resizer name, but won't let me. Oh, okay, I don't know why. Yeah, I've done some on that resizer.com or .net. Okay, so this is for a dude. And I'm going to drop, this was one I might put, because most of mine I start at $17.99, but because it's just simple text, I'll probably start at $16.99. No, and then I'll just go through all the colors. Now watch, if you select youth, I will select youth at the end, but if I select it now, it won't show me these Heather, like some of these colors, like it's not available. So I wait and I click youth at the end so it can show me all the colors. Nope, 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 maybe. Maybe. Okay. It's really red. That's green. That's pretty good. Blue. Okay. But hang on. I want to see more. White, maybe. Let's see what the yellow looks like. Back end guy. Orange. What do we think? What do we think? Yellow? We get the gray. So let's do those. Okay. Don't do youth. I will. I'm going to do youth. Watch me. Boom. Look at me being defiant. Here's why. I do youth. I do all of them on all of them. Here's why. Because what if you're a short dude? What if you're a petite guy? And then the guy, regular guy sizes don't fit you, and you have to go to like the junior section. So that's why I pick all the color, like all the sizes for all of them. Even if it's like a women's shirt, maybe you like a man's fit, or maybe you're a very small lady and you need a small size. So I'll pick them all, right? You think I should do orange? Okay, what should I knock off then? The blue? Because it's kind of, yeah, do orange. Okay. So there we go. So we'll set that. We'll move on to the next one. So let's pick the colors over here. We'll do the same. Oh, we want pink on this one. Pink, maybe purple. Heather, that looks good. Blue. I don't do white on a lot of them. I just don't. Maybe because I have kids. I don't know. I like green. Yellow. And then boom, and then drop it to $16.99, and we're good. Girls, wait. You love the orange. Should I go back to the orange? Okay, go back. See, I never pick orange. Here's why, because I don't wear orange. But that's just me, right? So what should I take off? Yellow? Blue? What do you think? I like this one. I like the pink. I like the green. So I need to take either off the yellow or the blue. What do you think? Like the orange? That's really bright. Okay, I'll take off the yellow. Okay. Here we go. Now, select. Okay, next, where am I at? Here we go. Back in, guys, same deal. Let's just kind of pick the same colors. What do we have? These ones, like that. There we go. Yellow is not flattering on very good. Yeah, this is true. It takes a special person. Oops, that's the wrong way. Let's go down. Boom, 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 boom. There. And one more over here. Okay, and this is the darker. See, this is one where it's like, if it looks good on a lot of colors, I might go and upload it again, because I have let's do brown for back end guy. How about that? Because I have the spots. So here we go. Let's go back to, that's trademark, yeah. Here we go. So I want to pull up, let's do Mercury search again. And I want to pull up programmer shirts and see what kind of things, see what kind of things pop up. And I'm going to use Unicorn Smasher again. And I'm going to, how many do we have? 2,000 something shirts. Okay, whoa. Let me open up a number of them and see how we do. It's thinking, it's thinking. And then I'm going to sort by rank. And I want to see, no, I want to sort by rank you. Hang on, it's still thinking, look. It's cool, keep thinking. Is it done now for just a minute? Okay, sort by rank. And so here's one. And what I'll do, see, I'll open it in a new tab so I can go see what kind of keywords and things that they're using. Don't panic, I'm a computer programmer. Geek nerd, computer programmer. Okay, so here we go. So I also need to see, oh, I've lost my tabs. I've got so many tabs open. So programmer t-shirt, let's spell t-shirts right. Shirt. Back end guy. Now I want to see if UI UX is UI UX, because that stands for user interface, user exchange or something like that. Oops, I clicked the wrong thing again. I don't think it's going to be, but I want to double check. Let's click on live. UI UX. Nope. Okay, let's try it with this, like so. Submit. Nope. Okay, good. User interface. jQuery user interface. As long as I don't say jQuery, right? Maybe. Let's see. That says live. Okay. Well, maybe we'll stick with UI UX. Okay, so UX is user experience. Okay, thank you. Bum, bum, bum. Where did they go? Back end guy, shirts, computer programmer. Okay, let's come back and see what these people have put. So coding, all right. Funny programmer meaning programmer noun definition. No programmer would get a shirt with UI on it. Okay, okay. I don't know. Programmer, geek, Java, C, programming, science, incomplete data, nerdy, programming design, programmer excuses, coding. Okay, here we go. Computer programming, coding. Wait, there was another word that I liked a minute ago. What was it? Nope, nope, nope. Programmer, engineer, data analytics. Ah, gosh. What, did I already put coding? I think I did. Coding T. Okay, let me look at backend again. Backend versus front end. This is a server application database. Backend usually, the backend usually if you book, blah, blah, blah. Website designers. Okay. What is a front end and back end developer? Because you're right, you want to be accurate because somebody will like, no. Server application or database. You book a flight, concert ticket, blah, blah, blah. Log in. Okay. My brain just went, what? UX is more front end. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Whether you program for, what did he say over here? Server, application, or a database. Let's just copy that real fast. MySQL, an application or a database. This funny backend guy shirt is perfect for you. Let them know you are not an IT guy. Program with pride. Okay, let's see what other keywords people have used. I want to be real careful about using, because I don't know, I mean, like the names, it seems like these names would be iffy. You know what I mean? Database is backend. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Because we're backend. We're talking about the backend, right? 2 types of people in the world. Okay, yeah. That's a funny shirt. Okay. Engineering, software engineer, Python. See, I think it would be real iffy using the names of these because I'm pretty sure they're trademarked. So software developer, what do you think? Program your software with pride. Okay, so there's that. Got software in there. And software engineer, software developer. Should we throw those words in there? What do you think? With this software engineer shirt. You don't, okay, let's go see if they are, so like jQuery. So let's go see if Python is. Okay, Python. Because that's the name of a computer program. See? Python. I'm going to open these up. Python, Python, Python. I would think that it would be. Look at all these different ones. So I'm talking about computer stuff. I'm guessing. Let me open these and check if any of them have to do with the computer program Python. Engineer is good. Okay. Python, skin soap. No. Okay. Python, plastic cables. No. Okay. Electrical cigarette. No. Metal cable guards. No. Pumps, urethane, stationary something. Emergency, water squirting toys, adhesives, vehicle tracking devices. What does this say? Typed drawing, safety devices, welding helmets, essential oils, bases, electrical equipment, You said check number 29. 29. Boom. Okay, well maybe, I don't know. I'm not gonna, because I just have a feeling it's not gonna be quite right. Okay, so let's take a peek again with these. Computer programmer, software developer, funny shirt, sense of humor, da 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 da. Computer user. Okay, let's start closing out of some of these. Code. Did we put something in there about code? We've got coding, but I want to try to get code in there. This funny back end shirt is perfect for you when you code. When you boop, 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 code. All right, we got code in there, just in case they're looking for code. Coder. Programmers and coders t-shirts. All right, just trying to squeeze as many words in there as I can. Okay, computer science, network engineer, maybe no. I'm looking down here if you're wondering where I'm reading all this stuff. So I'm looking at all this, keywords, and then I'm looking up here. I didn't put geek or nerd in there. Let them know you're not a, let's just leave that. This geek or nerd back-end guy shirt. Lets the office know that you don't deal with the front end at all. There we go. What's another way for saying perfect for you? Yeah, they don't, but I'm just trying to make it flow like a sentence. You know what I mean? Perfect for your coworker, perfect for your boss, perfect for your whatever. So you could throw another code word in there. So maybe I'll throw boss in there. Programmer, epic job, funny programmer. Okay, I think we are just about where we can copy and paste. Perfect for you and you. Okay, so then what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste the keywords, the brand name, programmers and coders shirts, and I'm copying and pasting, and then, so here when I copy and paste this back end guy, I'll come over, okay, that says back end guy. I need to make sure that I don't put it on the gal. Here we go, back end gal, and boom. And on the girl one, I might say something about girls being programmers. Stovetop stuffing, what? I am not stovetop stuffing. What you talking about? I'm not saying it's perfect for your Christmas gift or anything. Boss, cousin, uncle, father, grandfather. Okay, here we go. So then I copy and paste over here and over here. I want to make sure on the gal one, I want to get girl in there as well, or woman, or lady, or whatever. Post, post, post. Copy, paste. And here we go. Wait, did I get them all? So I'm going to start. I'm going to save that one. Back end gal. Whether you program for a cert, let them know you're not an IT girl. There we go. So we got girl in there. Good. Okay. Now here's what I also will do. I've got 4 shirts here. So what I'm going to do is I will send one of them through. Okay, sign in. Yes, 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 yes. Why did they kick me out? I don't know. It's okay. So I'll send one of them in for draft. No, one of them to sell, and then the others I'll put into draft, because if there's anything that gets flagged, I don't want to have 4 shirts that get flagged on me. I just want to get 1 shirt flagged. If that makes sense. And once it goes through, then I will go from there and upload the rest. I would change. Oh, would you? See, yeah, you could. I don't, not always, but yeah, you could go through and like change some of the wording around and do that. Okay, so we hung on to 36 viewers throughout our sausage making. But yeah, hey, we did it. So that was a super easy, like just text-based shirt. And we've got a few that I may go back and play with some of the words and the keywords on them and see what I could do to make them a little bit better. So thanks everybody for coming over to watch. And we really didn't get any graphic stuff. So this is just a text-based. And I'll let you know, I have had some questions about we've done one that was a hiking shirt. That's sold a few times, just I think yesterday or the day before sold. And then the flamingo one has sold a few as well. So that's awesome. Richard says, change each one for SEO, not to cancel them out. Okay, well, I'll look into that and see about switching around some of this stuff in there. It wouldn't be very hard to do for sure. So yeah, all right. Thanks so much, everybody. Go over there and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any requests or any ideas for future videos or things that you might need help with as far as merch goes, leave me a comment after the show in the comment section down below, and I'm happy to look at them. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody.